Hello, so today we are going to see our first video on Python. So today we are discussing on variables. So there are some rules as you can see in the screen for creating variables. The variable name must start with a letter or underscore. So let's create a variable. R is a variable. So as you can see it starting from a letter. Let's give this variable a value and P is a second value. This is 3. C is the third value, which is R plus P. And if we print it, so you can see the answer is 4. So this proves our first concept. The second is you can use a variable with, as you can see, this is expecting, but it is creating a problem because with respect to code, it is not defined. That's why. So let's match it. Now it is not creating any problem. Let's change the value and run the code. Yeah, this is our new result. 3 plus 2 is 5. Let's head over to second rule. The variable name cannot start with number. If we give any number here, it will show as red. But after running this, you can see what the error is. Say invalid decimal iterator syntax error. Move to a third rule. Variable names are case sensitive. As you can see, all three are age, but if I call age, use it like that. It is a age third age, and this is the last one age. As you can see here, age is giving me 5, capital A age is giving me 6, and A, capital G, and capital E gives me age, which is like that. We here. So as like that, you can see this is case sensitive. If you did any mistake here, like if you put this A, if you change it like that, you can see the value has changed. So use it properly, give attention here. Most of the people do mistake in case sensitive areas only. Head over to our next rule. The variable cannot be a keyword. So in Python we have around 38 keywords. I have already written the code which will show us what are the keywords. So false, none, true, and as. These all are the keywords and number of keywords is 35. So we cannot use false as a keyword because if we print false, it will give us an error cannot assign to false like that. So this is our video about variables. If you have any problem in any area, you can comment down below, like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.